If you're rubbing lemon on your face right now, stop. This week itself, I treated 3 patients with this chemical burn using this DIY hack. Today, I am talking about the most common kitchen ingredients that people often use on their skin. Some of these results even shocked me. Hi, I'm Dr. Ismat. I'm a board certified dermatologist and I see consequences of application of home skincare experiments every single day. Many people assume that natural ingredients are always safe, but that's not true. Let me show you what really happens when you apply these kitchen ingredients on your skin. Lemon. Lemon juice is widely used at home to lighten the dark spots and to treat acne. But here's the truth. Lemon has a pH of 2 to 3, which is extremely acidic. Your skin has got a pH value of 4.5 to 5.5. This actually disrupts your skin barrier, leading to redness, dryness, peeling, burning, and even leading to chemical burns. But that's not all. Lemon contains psoralens, which are compounds that make your skin highly sensitive to sunlight. So when you apply lemon and step out in the sun, you end up having phytophotodermatitis, which may have blisters, painful, and may lead to dark patches that may last for months. There are numerous published dermatology case reports that has documented these severe reactions. Verdict: never use lemon directly on your face. If you need some brightening things, then always go to your doctor. Your dermatologist may recommend you some vitamin C serum, which is far more effective and safe. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional skincare. And unlike lemon, it does have some proven benefit. It is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, may help with acne, redness, and pigmentation. The active compound, curcumin, calms the skin and reduces active inflammation. Here's what most people don't realize. Turmeric stains the skin yellow. It may also lead to irritation, inflammation, and redness in some people. Not all skin types tolerate turmeric well. In some cases, in some videos, I've also observed that some skinfluencers tell you to use turmeric along with yogurt or honey, apply it on a jawline, see it if it is working as a patch test. Keep it for 10 minutes and then wash off once or twice weekly. But I personally wouldn't do it for my own skin. If you're having any issues related acne, pigmentation, or even if you want a glow, it's always better to consult your doctor. Coffee scrubs are very popularly used for glowing skin. Coffee is an excellent antioxidant and caffeine in it may contain some agents that may reduce the facial puffiness. But the real issue is with the texture. Coffee grains are too hard and erosive. Scrubbing too hard or too often may lead to micro tears in your skin, leading to dryness, redness, increased sensitivity, more breakouts, and even destroying your skin barrier. If you want to use coffee scrub, do it very safely. Be gentle on your skin. Do not rub it too hard. Use it once weekly. Do not use it on irritated or sun sensitive skin and often scrub it with a moisturizer to seal in the moisture. If you notice any stinging or redness afterwards, stop using it. Here's what you must remember. Natural does not automatically means that you're safe. Your skin's barrier is extremely delicate and one unnatural DIY hack can actually ruin your barrier. Lemon, never use it on your skin. Turmeric works for some but may not work for the others. Coffee scrubs. Be gentle, it is to be avoided for sensitive skin. Comment more below and I'll break down more kitchen ingredients for your skin.